Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delivering this statement on behalf of the International Drug Policy Consortium, or IDPC, a global network of nearly 200 NGOs that promote drug policies grounded in human rights and social justice. Thank you, Mr. Chair, and to the CND and the Vienna NGO Committee on Drugs for allowing me to speak today. Excellencies, I want to say a few words about the multidisciplinary panel of independent experts, created by CND Resolution 68/6. Since the adoption of this resolution in March, a lot of work has taken place to lay the groundwork and secure the necessary resources for the panel, and the need for this comprehensive independent review has become even greater. The Secretary-General's UN80 initiative Shifting Paradigms report, released a few weeks ago, speaks of, quote, a world scarred by brutal and widespread conflicts, deep inequalities and injustice, flagrant violations of human rights and looming existential threats, end quote, that are testing the entire United Nations system. In the UN80 spirit of reviewing and strengthening all of the UN's work, the multidisciplinary panel on drugs has an incredibly important role. The panel will also fulfill the CND's core mandate as outlined in the 1946 ECOSOC resolution by which it was established, that the CND shall, quote, consider what changes may be required in the existing machinery for the international control of narcotic drugs, end quote. The need for change is well evidenced. The legacy of a 50-year war on drugs is billions spent, drug markets at an all-time high, and catastrophic public health and human rights consequences around the world. IDPC urges member states to provide the necessary political and financial support to enable the panel to be appointed and to undertake their independent review. As per the CND resolution, the panel should then consult widely and openly with civil society as part of their deliberations, as well as with youth, academia, and all relevant UN agencies. We look forward to participating in this process over the coming months, as I'm sure all of our NGO partners do as well. In our report, Repairing the Machinery, IDPC has outlined a number of recommendations for the formation and the work of the panel, as well as exploring best practices from similar independent panels across different UN mandates in the past. The report is available on idpc.net, and it underlines how this once-in-a-generation opportunity for reform must not be wasted. Thank you for your time.